Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Instagram notes not working. Let's see how to fix them. Instagram notes. Instagram recently released a new notes feature that allows you to share updates as short text posts with specific people who can reply to them by using the messaging option on Instagram. You can only share one note at a time with others. So you and others will see the note at the top of the chat list for up to 24 hours, after which it will be removed. Now let's see how to create and delete an Instagram note. For this, go to the Instagram application and then click on the messaging section. Over here at the top, you can see your note option. Click on it and then click on leave a note. In the text box, type the message that you want to share. After typing it, click on the share button at the top right corner. This will update your note. Now, if you want to share another note which isn't possible on Instagram, so at a time you can only share one note. If you try sharing another note, the previous note will be deleted. Now, let's see how to delete a note. So click on your note and then simply click on delete the note. Here are some solutions to fix Instagram notes feature if it's not working. First up is update the app. For this, you simply have to go to the Play Store and search in for Instagram. After searching it, you have to update it. Now over here you can see open as my Instagram app is up to date. This will help you add the notes section in your message. The second solution that we have is join the beta tester group. For this you again go to the Play Store and open the Instagram option. Over there scroll down and join the beta group. It will take a few moments for it to accept your request, and this might remove the issue of notes not working. The third solution that we have is to clear the cache and storage. For this, go to the settings and then in app management. Here you search for the Instagram application. Then you go to storage usability, where you see the options of clear storage data and clear cache. Clear both of these things and this might get going the notes feature in Instagram. The last solution for this option is to report it as a problem. For this you go to the Instagram application, then go to settings and then go to help. Over there you click on report it as a problem. And then you type in the problem that you are facing, that is notes feature not working. This might get the Instagram application, report the problem and start the notes feature in the phone. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below.